naintindihan po natin, naunawaan po natin na yung sinabi ng Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr. ay tama. Totoo na yung isinusulong nilang impeachment laban sa pangalawang Pangulo, hindi po makatutulong. Hindi po makapag-aangat ng kalagayan ng pamumuhay ng kahit isang Pilipino. Ang tanong, yan ba naintindihan ng mga mambabatas? Naintindihan? Eh may ginawa silang manifesto raw na sila daw ay nagkakaisa na suportahan ang Pangulo ng ating bansa. Kaya lang, nakapagtataka, ang kanilang ginagawa, kabaliktaran. Sapagkat tahasan nilang sinasalungat, kinokontra yung sinabi ng Pangulo ng Pilipinas. Mga kaibigan, mga kababayan, at mga mahal po naming mga kapatid, hindi maikakaila, matindi na ang problemang nararanasan ng ating bansa, lalo na po sa ekonomiya. Hindi po ba, yan ang dapat talagang unahin at bigyang solusyon, bigyang prioridad ng mga namumuno sa ating bansa? Gaya ng nabanggit natin, nakalulungkot po sapagkat hindi yan ang nakikita natin ginagawa ng iba sa kanila. Ang ginagawa ng iba ay nagpapalubha sa problema pangkabuhayan ng Pilipino. Ang magbigat pa, yung ginagawa nila, nagdudulot ng bahabahagi, nagdudulot ng kaguluhan, hidwaan at pagtatalo. Alam po ng lahat, marami ang naghihikahos. Marami ang walang trabaho. Hindi pwedeng ikailayan. Nasa estadistika po yan.
Well, it was actually private communication, but nalik na, yes. Because that's really my opinion. This is not important. This does not make any difference to even one single Filipino life. So why waste time on it? What will happen to if somebody files an impeachment? It will tie down the House, it will tie down the Senate, it will just take up all the time, and for what? For nothing. For nothing. None of this will help improve a single Filipino life. As far as I'm concerned, it's a storm in a teacup.
Sir, have you reached the point of no return? You and VP Sara, sir?
Never say never.
Nag-statement si JPE na sinasabi niya hindi pwedeng pigilin yan dahil may grupo na ayaw. I think she was referring to Iglesia ni Cristo. So sinabi niya, hindi naman natin pwedeng pigil dahil may grupo o may tao na ayaw yan. At sinabi ko sa inyo, nung tinanong niyo sa akin, sabi ko, I agree with him. Totoo. And if you remember, my words were this: they will now, once the impeachment complaints are filed, they have no choice. The House has no choice. The Senate has no choice. Kailangan nilang i-proseso ang impeachment complaint. And that's exactly what has happened. Once the impeachment complaints were filed, the House and the Senate, they have no choice. Nakatali na kamay nila. They have to do this. And they have to do it in recognition of, the complaints that have been filed. So yun ang nangyari ngayon. And that's why we have come to this point where the House has transmitted already the impeachment complaint to the Senate. We have heard some of the statements made by the Senate President as to how he is planning to handle it.